Hey y'all.
Howdy.
Oh my gosh. He is cracking me up with this howdy stuff.
So, we came on today because there's been a lot going on, and one of the things that's going on is that we have the camper out here, which means that we are living out here full time. So there's still some stuff that we have to figure out, such as water, and sewer is not that big of a deal because we have a porta potty right there.
Just until you get the septic done.
Yeah, until we get the septic done. But right now we're working on the rain catchment system to get that finished up. Hopefully today. Because
it's supposed to rain for like 3 days.
Yeah. So.
Which is good.
But we've been out here.
A week.
Well, a little over a week, hasn't it?
A week and like 2 days.
Yeah, a week and 2 days or so. So that is a pretty big accomplishment for us. It's something that we've been wanting to do, and we're getting adjusted to that new life because there's not a house out here, just a barn and stuff like that. So we're getting adjusted to it, but I think we're all enjoying it, for the most part. So
yes, very much.
So yeah, we get to wake up out here and go to sleep out here.
Yeah.
And the kids have enjoyed it, and being able to go out at night and look up in the sky and see all the stars that we're able to see. So it's been fun.
Yeah,
but
lots of fun. We're enjoying it. We're bringing in water right now, so
yeah, we're
hopefully once the rain comes, we'll have water from the rain catchment.
Yeah, and worst comes to worst, we'll bring in water. We'll bring in water ourselves, but we'll try and find maybe a water truck that can haul some water in for us as well. But that's an option.
But I think we're coming into the rainy season here in Texas, so our hopes is that we'll catch enough water to get us through the summer, so when it doesn't rain.
Yeah. Obviously right now we have I don't remember how many gallons. I think it's 500 gallons or 600 gallons or something like that. Storage tank.
I think it's 550.
550. Which is not going to be enough to get us through
We'll be getting another
summer, but
couple.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get some more to get those filled up as much as possible. So,
but just little step. I mean, we're just doing step by step.
Yep, little things at a time. So, and it's coming together. But once we get the rain catchment and the septic done, then we actually start to build on the house. So hopefully that'll be sometime this spring, early summer. But we are getting there. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update and tell you where we're at. Yep. So
see y'all soon.
Remember to like,
give us thumbs up,
subscribe, and comment.
Yep.
And
biggest thing is subscribe. So and hit the little bell thing so that you guys can see when we post new videos, which we don't have internet right now. We've ordered our internet, so we do have to go in and do that. So we may not be uploading as much
until we get internet.
But right now it's just we're trying to do it at least once or twice a week, but we're
it's kind of challenging, but
because we homeschool and obviously doing day-to-day chores and stuff like that, so just trying to manage all of that. So anyway,
so
catch you soon. Talk to you soon.
We'll see you next time.
Prickly pear in a sandy bed, holding you heals me, but loving you hurts my head. Oh, Arizona gardens in the afternoon, no matter what happens, it's me and you, baby. Nothing but time
attaching the end caps to the gutters. Because eventually they'll be sealed, but I just want these end caps to be on here. Putting the end caps on so that we can hang this one up, and then we'll hang the next one up, and then we got a seam to put in. That way we can get this part done and be done with the gutter on this side.
And you just put up what? And you cut it. You cut it. Why did you cut it?
Cut what?
That piece. Instead of having one long piece, we've cut it because.
Just because it was easier to maneuver. May not have been the right thing to do. I mean, you can kind of tell that it wasn't, but it beats. I mean, it would have been nice to have just two pieces, but I mean, that would have been hard to deal with, really. Well, it'd have been two 14-foot, yeah. So it would have been hard to get it up there. I mean, it was just, so we cut them into 7-foot sections and made it a little bit easier, but you can see the seams a little bit more. So it's, one of those things that hopefully you live and learn. So.
Every step of the way, inside. Every step of the way, every step of the way, every step of the way, every step of the way.
About the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life is just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can
That is so funny.
Funny business. Up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here,
Well, you have to seal it.
Not a water main there.
that's alright by me.
Did you have to seal it with big goob?
That I need, but there
Oh,
is
no, I know. I'm gonna go to the next.
I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life is just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Well, at least some of it made it in there. Guess you need to seal it. Does it have to dry now before you can seal it?
Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name.
But we need to fix that anyway.
I guess the slow life
The cats are getting in the trailer.
on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Probably thirsty and hungry.